Track 2.27. Unit 7. Speaking. Exercise 2.
What do you think of this book?
Which one is it?
It's called In Search of the Golden Bowl, The Adventures of Batu and His Friends. Have you read it?
Yes, I have. I loved it. I think it's brilliant. What about you?
Yes, I agree with you. I would say it's my favourite book. It's really funny.
Really? I want to read it. Is it a fantasy story? They're really interesting. I think authors of fantasy novels have great ideas. After you've read one, you don't want to go back to novels about everyday life. Do you agree?
Yes, I agree with you. I'd say real-life stories are a bit boring. What do you think, Jess?
I'm not sure I agree. I read a lot of fantasy books, but I also enjoy stories about things that happen to real people like me.
That's a good point, but I still want to read this book. I think it looks amazing.
Track 2.28. Unit 7. Speaking. Exercise 3. Asking for and giving opinions. 1.
What do you think of this book?
2.
I think it's really good.
3.
I'd say it's quite funny.
4.
What about you? How about you?
5.
Do you agree?
6.
I agree with you.